Happy Friday! You're watching VPTrade Daily Financial News. Let's close out the week with the top market stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. And in U.S. equities news, Tesla delivered a stellar performance that lifted the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Tesla shares skyrocketed nearly 22%, adding over $140 billion to its market value after forecasting massive growth next year. Despite this, sentiment was mixed, with other earnings results dragging down sectors like materials and industrials. The S&P managed a small gain, but the Dow dropped as blue-chip stocks like IBM and Boeing took a hit. And in Forex news, the dollar pulled back from its recent highs as U.S. Treasury yields dropped. After hitting a 3-month peak, yields eased, causing the dollar to retreat. In Asia, the Japanese yen rebounded after a tough few weeks, with political uncertainty ahead of Japan's elections adding pressure. Meanwhile, the dollar was set for a fourth consecutive weekly gain, despite some volatility in the currency markets. Switching to tech earnings, it's been a mixed bag so far this season. UPS reported solid profits thanks to rebounding volumes, while Southwest Airlines and Honeywell missed the mark, leading to stock declines. Investors are also keeping a close eye on the upcoming reports from giants like Alphabet, Amazon, and Apple, which could set the tone for the rest of the earnings season. Across global markets, geopolitical tensions and central bank rate speculation are creating a cautious atmosphere. The MSCI World Index is on track for a weekly loss, with rising bond yields putting pressure on stocks. However, Hong Kong's Hang Seng saw a slight lift, while Japan's Nikkei struggled due to a stronger yen. Investors are looking ahead to next week's key events, including U.S. jobs data and the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. And finally, in commodities news, oil prices are inching higher amid ongoing tensions in the Middle East. Brent crude and U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude are both up slightly, driven by concerns over potential supply disruptions. Gold, which has been a safe haven during these uncertain times, is set for a third consecutive weekly gain, reflecting the elevated geopolitical risks. That's it for this week's news. If you enjoyed our content, give us a thumbs up, share with your network, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.